Hey guys, what's up? Sorry I haven't posted in like a long time. Mainly because of school and stuff. But out here, we're doing a vlog today. We're exploring in that ravine. Now, I have explored in this ravine, to be fair, but I don't know, I just thought it's kind of a tour. And can you guys just admire the fact that it's like not 3 o'clock, wow, it's only like 6 o'clock here, and it's like it's like dawn. But anyway, I'm going down in this ravine. Now, we haven't been in this in a long time, mainly because, look at that. Yeah, it's blocked off. But we're going to be exploring in it today. Hopefully I don't drop my phone. So, yeah. I probably will stop recording if I feel like I'm going to drop my phone. Or come back up. But, yeah, let's get into here. Man, I should have worn pants. If you can see, there's like thorns and stuff here. It's hard to see, but there are like thorns and stuff. Yeah, this will be hard. Oh, dude. Okay. So this used to all be a trail. Sorry if it's dark for you guys. Yeah, so let's get down here. Just so hard, bro. Dude, I feel like I could like fall at any moment. And I only have one hand, so I can't go that far down, but it's kind of just like a overview of what it is to get down here. Here we go. I'm making very slow progress because it doesn't look that steep, but in real life it's like pretty darn steep. So that's why I'm kind of taking my time. Well, if I make this video and upload it, that most likely means I really just saw something over there. Just right over there. I saw something. But yeah. Anyways, if I get down slow. Alright, I'm not going down that way. We're gonna go this way. So, when we first moved into this house, which was about 3 years ago, I would say, we made it took us a little bit, but we completed a trail, and as you can see, this used to be built like really big, though. Like during the summer, I could not go down it. So I was waiting to make this video. Oh, that's my dog. I'm sorry. I thought there was a coyote down there, and I got freaked out. Okay. Gosh, am I scared. Okay. And by the way, I'm by myself, so right here is a bench. Now, this intended to be a big cabin house. Yeah, it's just a bench. Now, what the frick is that? Somebody threw a pumpkin? I'm going to throw it down there, hopefully. Yeah. Yeah, so this is a bench. And yeah, sometimes I just sit here, go on my phone. And yeah, probably play some Clash Royale or something, but yeah, that's kind of what this is. And then I'm not gonna go down there because that's steep and it's like really thorny. And I don't know. But yeah, up there's our shed. And then over there's like a secret fort, but now it's like covered up. What was that? Did you guys hear that? Okay, it's gone. But like, that was a weird noise. It was like, Dude, I'm so freaking scared. Bro, I should have brought something just besides myself here. And my clothes, really nice hat. So, I don't know. But yeah, this is kind of our ravine. And should I go down there, you guys? I don't know. You know what? For the video's sake, I'm gonna do it. Wait, this is weird. Sorry. Yeah, but I'm gonna do it. For the video's sake. Alright, before I go down here, you have to make sure you're subscribed and you've liked the video. And leave a nice comment down below, because I like to read comments that you guys make. Alright, let's go. Bro, the wind chill is so cold. I'm not shaking, but I'm gonna trust this branch right here. Hope that it keeps me wet. Oh, dude. Oh, I'm making like very little progress, little by little. Normally I go down here with 2 hands, which I would go quicker with, but I have to hold my phone, so it's kind of hard. Okay. What's that? Dude, I'm so scared. Sorry if it's dark and it's bad lighting. Yeah. Probably should have brought a flashlight. I guess that's on me. But yeah. Whoa. Okay. Sit down. Just look. Wait, shh. Kaka! Nothing. Okay. I thought there would be a noise. Take that stuff. Oh, my shoes are gonna be like dead at the end of this video. But for you guys. Okay. Oh. I mean, I'm kind of like over exaggerating it, gonna be honest. What's that? Okay, I just feel like whoa. Well, why do I always hear weird noise when I come down here? This isn't clickbait, I think. I don't know. Well, if I titled the video something, I found a dead human being or something. I don't know. But, yeah. Well, unless I actually found that. That'd be creepy. Not gonna lie, I would run. Oh. Dude, I saw something moving over there. Right over there. There's a little lake, if you can see it. But yeah, I saw something. I'm out. Alright. Go. Oh, bro. I can go up so much faster than go down. Oh my gosh. Get me out of this. Get me out of here. Please get me out of here. I don't want to be here. Oh no. Oh, close up view. Sorry. Had to get my hands down for that one. Gotta get out of here without getting thorns. Alright, guys. What the frick? I heard something over there. Yeah, but anyways, guys, if you did enjoy the epic vlog video, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss a video. Also, when you click the notification bell, hit all so you get notified every single time I upload a video, which is about every week. At least I'm trying to, especially with COVID and school going on, because I'm in person. kind of hard to upload, not gonna lie. But yeah, so that will be it. Yeah, love y'all and bye.